Hey, everyone. We all want to grow our wealth and secure our financial future, right? In this video, I'm breaking down 10 simple steps to build wealth over time. Let's dive in. Before you invest, define your goals. Short-term like an emergency fund or long-term like buying a house. Write them down and set timelines. Clear targets motivate and guide smarter investments. Compounding is like magic, growing your money exponentially. It's the snowball effect of earning interest on your investment. Start early and let your money grow over time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk and maximize success. Spread your money across stocks, bonds, and real estate. Chapter 4. Choose investment vehicles wisely. Now that you understand diversification, it's time to explore the different investment vehicles available. The stock market offers opportunities for capital appreciation through individual stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Consider mutual funds and their systematic investment plans, or SIPs. Stay consistent with long-term investing. Trying to time the market is like trying to predict the weather. Focus on the long game. Stay consistent with your investment plan. Chapter 6. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your portfolio and make necessary adjustments. Stay adaptable to align with your goals and market changes. Minimize risk and costs. Manage risk wisely and avoid excessive debt. Be mindful of fees and choose low-cost options. Educate yourself continuously. The world of finance is constantly changing. Commit to continuous learning. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs, and explore insights from credible financial advisors. Use tax-saving instruments. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts like 401, KAs, or Roth IRAs. These offer tax benefits for retirement savings. Chapter 10. Stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth through investments is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Outro. Start building your wealth. Today, there you have it, 10 actionable steps to guide you on your wealth-building journey. Start small, stay informed, and be patient. The power to create a secure financial future is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.